Hello my beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel All Things Mandeme. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and let's grow the family. Guys, today I will be showing you how to apply the foundation the right way and getting full coverage. My skin is already prepped, moisturized and ready to go. First thing, I take my orange liquid concealer. I'm using LA Pro concealer just to cover up the dark areas under my eyes, and also I will go with it on my dark spots that I got from the pimples that are no longer there. So this step is really necessary for people who have some dark spots or pimples and you just want to get full coverage. Next up, I take my Toffee Concealer. This one I got from Signature. It was very affordable. I don't remember the price, but I go over the orange concealer to cover up so that I don't have any orange look on my face. I then take my normal brush. You can use a beauty blender or any brush that you have and start blending. Give your concealer 2 minutes to dry a little bit so that you get the desired results, because if you wipe it too quickly it might not work. So as I am blending, guys, I am not sweeping the product. I am pressuring it in, I'm pushing it in, I am padding, I am not sweeping. So make sure you follow exactly what I am doing so that you get the full coverage that you want and cover up those dark areas. Next up, I take my foundation. I also got it from Signature. Guys, don't sleep on Signature. Yes, I take my extra cover Signature foundation. I just pump. I give it 2 pumps. It's enough. It's actually more than enough. I don't need much foundation at all. I then start blending. As you can see, I've already started blending. I am not sweeping, I am pushing in the product and I'm blending it into my skin nicely. Already I'm getting the coverage that I need. One thing about me, guys, I really don't like too much creams on my face or heavy creams on my face. So one thing that I always do or apply in my skincare routine is to make sure that my skin is properly prepped. I scrubbed it, I cleansed it, so that I don't really have the pressure to put too much foundation to hide a lot of things, because people put a lot of foundation because they're trying to hide so much. So it's not really about hiding, but it's just to get good coverage, but we can still see that it's you are not a different person. So get your skin prepped. I will try to make a skincare routine with you guys so that you see what I do for me to get this kind of skin. Yep, look at that coverage. It is amazing. And this foundation, it's not those full coverage. It's lightweight. It's very light. But can you see the coverage? It is amazing. And anyone can achieve this. So with foundation, it's really about this technique of padding instead of sweeping. It doesn't matter the kind of foundation you are using, you can always get the coverage that you want. You can always get the full coverage regardless of the foundation you are using. If you master the technique, you are good to go. Make sure that you blend as much as you can. Now that you see that there's no foundation remaining to be blended, but continue to blend, continue to push in that product, continue to smoothen things out, just to make sure that you look good. I forgot that I didn't brush my brows, so they were just, still disorganized. So I just brush my brows, lift them up a little bit, give them a shape, So simply, guys, this is how you achieve full coverage.